Nice little easy job today. I'm going to make some laser engraved coasters. These are actually just short of 100mm square, so I'm just going to make them to proper size, which is 100mm square. I've already set the angle so it's to the right size. That good enough. But 118, oh sorry, 128, 218, 218. So I'll set this up at 108. To the centre. Easy to do. Typical, lost my pencil. Spot on. That's all I'm doing on camera. Right, second cup is 100mm. Two of these to do. Now to measure up for the next cut. This one's snapped, so 100mm. Spot on. Damage one side to the 16, 32, 64 coasters. They're all ready to be sanded. I was hoping to do this on the sander, but as I've got a bit of sciatica I'm struggling to stand up, so I'm going to do this here by hand. 63 of them. I might make you all go through it. Right, here we go. Now it's time to put a picture onto my coaster using my laser cutter. We use two programs. We use this one here, the first one, which is K40 Whisperer, which is better than the programs that you get with the cheap Chinese lasers, and we're going to use Inkscape. Here I've already got my frame size to 100mm by 100mm. I put a red border around it because they use that as a cut on the program, so I don't want to cut, I just want to engrave, so helps me get my picture back in the centre. Got to choose my picture now. I've already got set up here. I'm going to go for this little fishy here. To put that there. We're going to trace bitmap, update it, trace my bitmap, move him across, and delete that one. You need to trace the bitmap, otherwise the laser cutter won't cut. Now I've got to resize it to fit onto my picture. Nice little fat one, and I want to rotate it so I get a lot better picture fitting. So I just enlarge the picture. There we are. And down there. So it fits in nice and neatly. Highlight that. Line it to the centre. Top, bottom. I need to save image. I want it to go. I'll put it there to start with because I need to transfer it to another image and I want to save the image again as a PNG. So I'll do it. Right, that's it now. Ready to go onto the laser cutter. So I can delete that now. What I can do is open Inkscape. Open folder. And I've got to find my picture now. Go to desktop. And know where it should be. Not your folder 5. Not your folder 5. It's not very good when you can't find out where you've just saved your picture to. Not really good doing this today, am I? Right, next thing I've got to do is I've got to open the picture into the program that I've saved. So what I need to do is I need to go into desktop, scroll down, find my test one, test, double click, open that, and where it says drawing, I haven't named it, and I've got to wait now for the picture to come up. I've got a nice little picture. I realise what I've not done here yet. If I do that, it's not going to go right. Picture of my drawing, because what I forgot to do is a 25mm difference at the top. So what I've got to do is I've got to go height. So it being 100, I need to go 125 for the height. That bit there allows for the, you'll see how we save that there. Go back into K40 laser. That laser, and reload the picture. Once the picture's reloaded, open operation. I don't want to change the settings there, so I want that to be 300. It's a nice there. Don't need that one, don't need that one. All I need to do is now set the laser engraver to start. And we should be starting in a few seconds. Right, here we go with the reveal. We've got Med 2, little coddies. All ready to go out and be sold. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. Please come back for more.